top-level reseeding technology with front harrow slit reseeding. The new Grassland combination harrow GK300S. The Grassland combination harrow is a multifunctional machine, as we can see here in the S version with slit elements. The soil is slit open using leaf springs and a slit element, and the seed is deposited behind it in the seed furrow. What are the advantages of this technology? The seed germinates faster, it has better soil contact, the seed can be dosed more precisely. The soil is slit to a depth of 3 centimeters, and the seed is deposited at a depth of 1 centimeter. The tine roller ensures soil contact and closes the seed furrow again. We also ensure good penetration in dry conditions because we can achieve a coulter pressure of 70 kilograms per coulter. The coulter pressure can be adjusted hydraulically to best suit the soil conditions. Another major advantage is the soil adaptation. The springs guide the grinding coulter along the ground, allowing it to adapt optimally to any unevenness in the grassland. The machine is also suitable for reseeding, greening, or all types of field work because we also have our proven leveling plate, which allows us to level the soil evenly and then sow with a coulter spacing of 12.5 centimeters. The seed drill is combined with our proven harrow here in the front version. 12mm tines to loosen the turf and make room for the new seeds. Another new feature is that we can select the tine adjustment hydraulically so that we can achieve the correct tine pressure for all soil conditions even while driving. What does the machine promise us? Cost savings in seed, more efficient emergence, and better germination, as the seed is in immediate contact with the soil. In conjunction with plate seeding, it is possible to carry out several applications in one pass. This means that we can combine normal seed with fertilizer or sulfur lenses, granules, etc., in order to carry out as many work steps as possible in a single pass. The machine is very versatile, and we have experts who can advise you in the best possible way. Talk to us and let us find the best possible configuration for you.